Okay, hi everyone, Alex here from the Expro, and let's talk numbers. So of course, every client have a question about how much something will cost, right? That's the almost first question that they have for us. We have a very simple packages. Most of our clients, like you guys, are big minds, inventors, and you guys don't really know what's going behind the scene. So first step is again industrial design. We have a package that's usually between $1,000 and $2,000 that gives you 3 to 5 revisions. Depends of the product complexity, but in 99% of the cases, that's the stage. That stage 1 will dictate how much will next stage engineering cost, electrical prototyping, and mass manufacturing. There is no way for us to know how much prototyping or mass manufacturing will cost until we finalize the stage 2, which is engineering. They will give us 3D files and everything what we need to talk to our shop and get the cost for it. Thank you.